No, I mean just my name. Hey, excellent students. This song is written by a student of mine named Amelia. It's in the key of C, and we start with 4 strums in the C. 1, 2, 3, 4, A minor. 1, 2, 3, 4, F major 7. 2, 3, 4. Back to the C. 1, 2, 1, 3, 4. And then repeat that again. 3, 4, A minor. 1, 2, 3, 4. F major 7. 2, 3, 4. Back to C. 1, 2, and then 3, 4. I'll play it through one more time for you. A minor 2, 3, 4. F major 7. 3, 4. C. 2, 3, 4. I wonder what other lyrics. Maybe that. I don't know if that's the revert. Is that the refrain or the verses? I don't know yet. Okay, good luck. You got this.